Imagine a world where cancer is no longer a death sentence, where blindness is reversed with a single injection, and where those paralyzed for life take their first steps again, not decades from now, but by 2030. Sounds like science fiction? It's rapidly becoming science fact. Right now, in labs around the world, scientists are rewriting the rules of biology. One of the biggest breakthroughs is gene editing, specifically CRISPR. This revolutionary tool allows scientists to cut and paste sections of DNA. It's already being used to correct mutations that cause deadly cancers, inherited blindness, and even degenerative neurological diseases. In fact, clinical trials are showing early signs that leukemia, once considered incurable, can be completely eradicated using gene-edited immune cells. Not in 50 years, but within this decade. Then there's stem cell therapy. Stem cells are like blank slates. They can turn into any cell in the human body. Researchers have already restored vision in blind patients using retinal stem cells. They've injected spinal stem cells into paralyzed individuals, and some of them have regained sensation and limited movement. With advances in 3D printing and tissue engineering, we may soon be able to print entire organs from a patient's own cells, eliminating rejection and long transplant wait lists. Paralysis? New brain-computer interfaces are giving people the ability to move robotic limbs with just their thoughts. Elon Musk's Neuralink has already shown brain signals translating into cursor movement on a screen. But that's just the beginning. Imagine a spinal cord injury being bypassed entirely, the brain talking directly to muscles through a wireless chip. That's already being tested, and it's working. As for blindness, researchers have developed electronic retinal implants that translate visual data into signals the brain can interpret. There's even genetic therapies that are reversing certain types of inherited blindness with just a single injection in the eye. It's like turning the lights back on in someone's world. Cancer, once considered the king of diseases, is now being attacked from all sides. Immunotherapy trains your body's own immune system to hunt and destroy tumors. mRNA vaccines, yes, the same tech used in COVID shots, are now personalized for individual cancer patients. Scientists program the vaccine to target unique proteins on your tumor, essentially teaching your body to attack it like a virus. Early trials are blowing minds. Survival rates are skyrocketing. But here's the kicker, all of these technologies are converging. AI is accelerating drug discovery. Quantum computing is modeling complex proteins in seconds. Bioinformatics is helping us understand how diseases begin before symptoms even show up. That means prevention will become as common as treatment. You may soon get a digital report saying, "You're 5 years away from developing cancer, here's how to stop it now." This future isn't centuries away. It's happening right now. Human trials. FDA approvals. Real patients seeing real results. The dream is no longer someday. It's by 2030. So, what will that world look like? Hospitals will no longer be crowded with chemotherapy patients. Eye surgeries may become as rare as typewriters. People who once lived in wheelchairs might walk out of rehab clinics. It won't be perfect, not every disease will be gone, but science will have fundamentally reshaped what it means to be sick, to suffer, and to heal. This is the dawn of biological transformation. Not by magic, but by code, by cells, by data. Humanity isn't waiting for miracles, we're engineering them. And if you're watching this in 2025, know this, the countdown has already begun. Because by 2030, the greatest diseases of our time might be remembered only in history books.